This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Fabulous newer home in the gorgeous sought-after golf community of Greyhawk. Unfurnished annual rental. The Pinnacle open floor plan offers just under 2,500 square feet with 3 spacious bedrooms plus a den, quartz kitchen island with plenty of cabinetry, and a 3-car garage. This home backs to a lake, just steps from the clubhouse. This home comes with a social membership, transfer fee, which allows you to enjoy all the amenities Greyhawk at Golf Club of the Everglades has to offer: a resort-style pool, restaurant and bar, fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, and golf from May to October. Live the luxury resort-style lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Available August 2026. For more information, review the details below.